What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. And as you know, in a zombie apocalypse, you need to know how to make candles. Or like if your lights went out and you need emergency candle and you like Brazilian peanuts, I can make a candle out of this, or you can make it, because that's really easy. So let's see what we're going to do. So all we need is a Brazilian peanut, and we're just gonna light up the corner. They are very fresh, they're not cooked or anything, so you need the fresh ones. And you just light up the end of the peanut, and guess what? They're gonna burn for a while. And they don't smell even bad. And to make them be able to place them, just cut the bottom of the peanut so you can just place them down and on any surface, and they're just gonna stand as a candle. You know what I mean? Very cool, huh? I think the oil of the peanut is just goes up to the top and burning. That's why it doesn't burn that fast and takes a while. To make it even better, you can just grab a knife and just cut the top, so you got like pointy top, so it will be easier to light it and better fire. You see how pointy it is now? And you can cut the bottom, so you can set it like that on any surface, you know. So now you just ready to light it up. Just the tip, and all the oil will go to the top, and it will burn really slowly and will produce a lot of light. Very cool, huh? And of course we're gonna have to go and check it out in the dark and see how good it is in the dark. It's actually producing quite a bit of light. Alright, we're gonna light it in the dark and see how it's gonna look like in the dark. It's actually pretty bright, you know. You can see a lot with this one. Once it's start getting going, look, see my face, see everything inside of a room, dark room. And it's gonna burn for a while. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know what do you think, comments below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. I think this is very easy and very useful emergency candle, like in a zombie apocalypse. There's no light, or like there's no light and you need like some sort of light, and you have Brazilian nuts. You can make a candle out of it and still walk or go through the dark room and not knock yourself out. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Links in description. Please go and check out those pages. I post quite a few cool things. Like right now I'm in LA and I'm posting cool stuff over there about where I'm at and what I'm doing. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.